I'm fucking rough. Sorry.
I don't know how possible that's gonna be with just GD though. Like, oh yikes, that's unfortunate.
Yes! Let's go. I beat it.
Hey, GG.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's fucking go, man.
Fuck! Good shit.
That's the fastest I've ever beat a level that hard.
Yeah?
Alright, attempts time. I'm busting out my calc because my phone is already doing so many different things. I got to like I got to the ending. I was like, yeah, no, surely I beat it, right? And lo and behold, I did. Honestly, probably more attempts than it should have been, but I'm really happy with that. Let me comment. For attempts. Do I have anything to say about this level?
What the fuck? Why is that something you can die to?
I'm gonna definitely real quick. Okay, I don't really know if I have much to say about this level. It's really fun. I really like the gameplay. The song is definitely the worst part of the level. Like, without a doubt, it's the worst part of the level. And even then, like, after playing a lot, I kind of just, like, got to the point I could tolerate it and ignored it. So, like, all in all, I honestly, it's really good level. The waves are kind of awkward in some spots, but, like, they're not terrible. So, like, I'd recommend this level. Maybe not as, like, a new hardest because of the click sync aspect and the choke pointy waves. But otherwise, I'd recommend this level. It's really fun.